Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max delivers speed, precision, and impressive automatic resin handling, making it an outstanding option for hobbyists, enthusiasts, and professionals who need a dependable SLA 3D printer for personal or business projects. Designed to handle everything from tiny tabletop miniatures to exceptionally large models, this printer shines with its user-friendly remote monitoring capabilities and streamlined workflow. Its advanced resin management system operates cleanly behind the scenes, allowing users to focus on printing rather than messy prep work. The high-performance light source system ensures excellent accuracy, managing demanding calibration files down to an ultrafine 10-micron resolution and consistently producing superb print quality. Considering its large build volume, feature set, and reliability, the M7 Max offers excellent value at a very competitive price point. Who it's for? Professionals. The Mono M7 Max approaches industrial-grade performance with its sturdy build, reliability, and ability to capture extremely fine detail. It's an ideal choice for rapid prototyping, concept modeling, and small batch production where precision truly matters. Enthusiasts. Priced below $1,000, the M7 Max provides exceptional quality and forward-thinking resin handling features. Artists, modelers, and makers will appreciate how seamlessly the printer moves from setup to finished prints with minimal resin contact required. Its intuitive, streamlined user interface hides the complex technology inside, making it simple for beginners and experienced users alike. Specifications. Technology: stereolithography, SLA. Supported material: resin. Build volume: 11.7 inches by 6.4 inches by 11.8 inches. Resolution: 10 microns. Connectivity: Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB. Dimensions: 25.7 inches by 16.7 inches by 14.3 inches. Weight: 52.91 pounds. Warranty: 1 year. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1. The Bambu Lab A1 stands as the flagship model from a company known for pushing the boundaries of multicolor filament 3D printing. Designed with versatility and accessibility in mind, it features an impressive 4-color printing capability, a spacious 10x10x 10-inch print bed, and a convenient quick-swap nozzle system, all offered at a price that remains approachable for a wide range of users. The A1 delivers smooth setup, intuitive operation, and consistently high-quality prints, making it a strong contender in the consumer 3D printing market. While the base A1 model starts at $399, users can also opt for the A1 combo package at $559, which includes Bambu Lab's advanced 4-color automatic spool system. This add-on unlocks the full multicolor experience and enhances the printer's creative potential. Who it's for? Beginners. With its easy assembly, user-friendly controls, and affordable price, the Bambu Lab A1 is an excellent choice for newcomers to 3D printing. The A1 combo makes multicolor printing accessible right out of the box, allowing new users to explore advanced features without complexity. Hobbyists. For experienced makers and enthusiasts, the A1 offers a generous build volume and outstanding print consistency. Its multicolor capabilities, dependable performance, and straightforward maintenance make it a valuable tool for both creative projects and functional prints. Specifications. Technology: fused filament fabrication, FFF. Supported materials: PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Build volume: 10 inches by 10 inches by 10 inches. Connectivity: Wi-Fi, microSD. Frame type: open. Dimensions: 16.93 inches by 15.16 inches by 16.14 inches. Weight: 18.3 pounds. Warranty: 1 year. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an impressive compact 3D printer that combines affordability with advanced features rarely seen at this price point. One of its biggest advantages is the optional add-on module that allows printing with up to 4 different filament colors, enabling easy and vibrant multicolor creations without complex setups. Despite its small footprint, the A1 Mini produces high-quality prints with excellent consistency and does so at relatively fast speeds for a budget-friendly machine. Its user experience is one of its strongest features. Setup is quick, operation is intuitive, and it runs smoothly with virtually no issues during printing. For newcomers or hobbyists wanting a trouble-free 3D printing experience, the A1 Mini delivers remarkable value. Who it's for? Beginners. The A1 Mini arrives nearly fully assembled, making the initial setup simple and stress-free. Its interface is beginner-friendly, and the printer generates clean, attractive prints right away. The combo version we tested includes Bambu Lab's multicolor add-on module, which expands creativity by allowing seamless 4-color printing. Budget-minded hobbyists, with a price below $400 for the combo package, the A1 Mini stands out as one of the most affordable multicolor FDM options on the market. It's ideal for users who want an excellent out-of-the-box experience, straightforward operation, and reliable print performance without overspending. Specifications. Technology: fused filament fabrication, FFF. Supported materials: PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Print colors: up to 4. Extruders: 1. Frame: closed. Build area: 70.9 by 70.9 by 70.9 mm. Resolution: 100 microns. Connectivity: Wi-Fi, microSD. Dimensions: 13.7 inches by 12.4 inches by 14.4 inches. Weight: 12.12 pounds. Warranty: 1 year. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. If you're looking to create large-scale 3D prints without spending a lot, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is an impressive option. This open-frame FDM printer delivers an unusually spacious build area for a machine priced under $500, making oversized projects far more accessible than with most budget printers. In testing, it successfully produced more than 20 prints of consistently good quality, demonstrating both reliability and versatility. Although it requires some light assembly and enough desk or bench room to accommodate its footprint, the setup process is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Once assembled, the Neptune 4 Plus operates smoothly, and users can expect a hassle-free printing experience. Just be sure to purchase filaments separately or choose a bundle that includes a spool so you can begin printing right away. Who it's for? 3D printing beginners. The Neptune 4 Plus is a strong entry-level choice for newcomers willing to do a bit of hands-on setup. Its open-frame design exposes the motors, belts, extruder, and print bed, giving users a clear view of how the printer functions. This transparency helps beginners learn the mechanics of 3D printing while still enjoying the benefits of a machine capable of producing large, high-quality prints. Budget-conscious hobbyists, with its modest price, support for multiple filament types, and generous build volume, the Neptune 4 Plus is an appealing option for makers who want to tackle big projects without overspending. Specifications. Technology: fused deposition modeling, FDM. Supported materials: ABS, PLA, nylon, PTG, ASA, TPU. Build volume: 15.2 inches by 12.6 inches by 12.6 inches. Print color: 1. Extruders: 1. Frame: open. Resolution: 100 microns. Connectivity: USB, Wi-Fi. Dimensions: 25.2 inches by 21 inches by 22.8 inches. Weight: 32 pounds. Warranty: 1 year. Number 5. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is an excellent choice for curious makers and first-time users who want an accessible entry point into the world of 3D printing. Building on the strengths of previous Ender-3 models, this version introduces welcome upgrades in print speed, automatic calibration, and cooling performance. These enhancements help streamline the printing process and improve overall output quality. While the Ender-3 V3 is not entirely without drawbacks such as noticeable operating noise, occasional vibration, and a print bed that benefits from a light layer of glue for better adhesion, it remains a very capable and budget-friendly machine. For its price, it delivers reliable, high-quality prints and offers a user experience that encourages experimentation and learning. Who it's for? Beginners, affordable, approachable, and open frame. The Ender-3 V3 is an excellent starter printer. Assembly is simple, and once set up, the machine produces fast and clean prints. Its open design reveals the extruder, motors, and print bed during operation, giving newcomers a clear look at how 3D printing works, valuable hands-on insight for anyone learning the craft. Budget buyers, if you're trying to stay within a tight budget or want a dependable second printer, the Ender-3 V3 is a smart pick. It provides impressive print speed and quality for a modest price and takes up relatively little desk space compared to many open-frame machines. Specifications. Technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Supported materials, PLA, TPU, PTG, ABS, PLSEF, PTGCF, CR carbon. Print colors, 1. Extruders, 1. Frame, open. Build volume, 7.8 inches by 7.8 inches by 9.8 inches. Resolution, 350 microns. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Dimensions, 14 inches by 14.7 inches by 19.6 inches. Weight, 17.2 pounds. Warranty, 12 months.